Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to set up and customize the Image with Text section in your store. The Image with Text section is a flexible feature that combines impactful visuals with descriptive text. It allows you to pair a prominent image with relevant content to highlight specific products, collections, or blog posts. This powerful combination helps capture attention and improve customer engagement. Accessing the section. To access the Image with Text section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Then, navigate to Templates and locate the Image with Text section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings. Then open Free Widgets. Once enabled, return to Templates and select the Image with Text section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Image with Text and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Image with Text section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, and both. Use container size to control how wide the Image with Text section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Upload your image to visually represent your content and create a strong first impression. Choose a high-quality image that aligns with your product, collection, or message to make the section more engaging. Controls how tall your image height displays within the section. Adapt to Image keeps the original proportions of your uploaded image. Small, medium, large. Adjust the height to create a more compact or more prominent visual presence, depending on your design needs. Adjusts how much horizontal space the image width takes on desktop screens. Small keeps the image subtle and gives more space to text content. Medium balances the image and text evenly. Large makes the image more dominant, ideal for showcasing visuals or products. Desktop image placement lets you position the image on either side of the content. Selecting left places the image on the left with text on the right, creating a natural reading flow. Choosing right positions the image on the right, helping add variation and visual interest to your layout. Control how your content is positioned to create the right visual balance within the section. The Content Position setting lets you align your text to the top, middle, or bottom of the image area, helping you adjust focus and spacing based on your design. Content Layout allows you to choose between No Overlap, which keeps the text and image clearly separated for better readability, or Overlap, which places content on top of the image for a more modern and layered look. Enhance visual interaction with image behavior animations to make your section more dynamic and engaging. Selecting None keeps the image completely static, which is ideal for a clean and distraction-free layout. Ambient movement introduces a subtle motion effect, giving your image a gentle, continuous shift that adds depth without overwhelming the content. Zoom in on scroll creates a more interactive experience by gradually enlarging the image as users scroll, helping draw attention and making your section feel more immersive. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allow for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Match the inner content of the image with text section to your store's branding, using color schemes such as light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. The custom option allows you to create your own color palette for full control over the inner content's appearance. Match the image with text section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add CTA blocks, including Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options. And that's it! Your image with text section is now fully set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.